appreciate you guys watching the videos. Like and subscribe. My hair's messed up because I rode the tricycle this morning. The wind was blowing through my hair. Like and subscribe to my channel, and we will talk to you guys real soon. Y'all take care. We appreciate each and every one of you. See ya. Hi everyone, Kevin from My Philippine American Adventure. This morning it is December 4th, 6:15 a.m. We came to our property this morning. We had some of it cleaned out yesterday while we were busy. So we bought the Kubo. It's going to be delivered later this week. Now we got to figure out how we're going to get it delivered here. Got these little hills we're going to have to dig out. So Nathan and I are going to have to probably come back tomorrow and cut down these couple little trees here, bushes, and dig out the embankment a little bit to make it more level for the truck to back up in here. We had it cleaned out yesterday. They're working on it. I'm going to burn up all this trash in another day or so. They'll be burning all these piles of brush. You can see here lots of, but you can see the property better now than before. You can see the work they did on it. We're going to be building the house in this area here, probably this area right in here. But the Kubo, oh, this small lot here from that opening to the very back, you see the fence there, straight like this, is her sister's, and then the rest of it is ours. So we'll probably start building the house. Gonna leave some of these trees and bushes. We got guava trees here, so we'll probably put the house in this area here whenever we decide to do it. I don't think we're going to start it this year. Too many other things going on, but next year probably start building it. But we're going to put the Kubo. You got that clump of bushes here, that clump of bushes there. We're going to put it like in the middle behind it, and then that'll be a tree to the side of it. So you have the Kubo sitting in this area right here, and then the dirty, or not a dirty kitchen, but the kitchen and bathroom will be back in this area right here for our temporary house. And then got the rest of this property to have a garden when we move here, have a garden, have quite a few chickens so we get fresh eggs and chicken meat. But you can see the difference from the other day when we were in here. It was all very overgrown, and there's some manuk. So you can see they did quite a bit of work yesterday on it. It's going to cost us 4,000 pesos to have this cleared out. So 4,000 pesos, it's roughly $80 to have them clear all this out. You can see the clump of grass here. Couldn't even walk through here 2 days ago, but now you can. Here's the corner. So you have some idea how big our property is here. Not too bad. We got some paper trees growing here, some guava trees. So anyway, that is about it. Like I say, the Kubo will be fitting in this little area right in there. So we'll have a little bit of shade from the paper trees. The front will be shaded with the little bushes there. There's a big ass spider right there. I don't know if you can see it or not. The spider web goes, I walked in it. Guess I don't want to walk in there. Okay. Looks like somebody was digging for a fence. There's a lot of holes here in the ground. A lot of holes in the ground here. They're gonna make a fence, but all that property is still ours. Kubo fits right in there. Anyway, that's gonna be it for about now. We will be keeping you guys up to date on the advancements of everything. Don't want to just have the beginning and the end. I want everything in the middle as well. So I got it what it looked like before we moved the Kubo here, during, waiting for the Kubo, after the Kubo, some of our advancements that we're going to make along the way. So anyway, I appreciate you guys. Appreciate Hi everyone, Kevin from My Philippine American Adventure. We're at the property. I'll do a video on how to get here later on. We had to rent a tricycle to get out here, but this is our property right here. It's gonna have to be cleaned out. We'll bring the Kubo here. Just wanted to show you the property. Which one is ours?
This one.
This one?
Huh?
Wow, it's big, huh? Gonna have to have it cleared out. I'll do a video on the drive here later.
There.
Wow.
Ito, pero yung ano nito, te. Kay ate. Kay ate.
So,
Nini yung dito.
oh, this is hers?
Dito mo yung palatandaan ito sa. Let's go and see the.
Just give you guys a quick look at. Her sister bought the front half here, and then we will own the rest of this. I don't know where he went. He's not feeling good, I think. Fitz is feeling a little sick. So we got back here. Well, at least the fence, 3/4 of the way. We got the fence up already.
Boundary kay ate. Dito yung sa kanya. Yan.
Oh, okay.
Sukat niya. Pabahaba na ganan? Oo. Pababa siya. Mula dito, ito linya.
Okay.
Parang sa mahogany. Hanggang doon sa may dulo. Sa inyo yun. Dulo na. Dito.
So which one's which?
We need to wear somebody to clean all this one.
Yeah, I know, right?
We need to let them
So your sister's is this half over there,
yeah.
and then this is our half here. Oh, over to here? Oh,
yeah,
wow.
Over that.
Oh,
The bakod.
oh wow, okay. We got a nice bonfire going here.
So what we could do, we don't need to square like this for fencing. They already put the fence in here. They put in here, so we just.
You leave your sister's open for now. That's fine.
Yeah.
Let me go over
her
here.
property will be inside ours.
That's fine.
Because
Okay, then we own back to the front road up this way. Got some trees here. That's nice, huh? That's more property than the house. Hello, sir. So anyway, I'll get back with you guys a little later. But once we get our tricycle, we'll come back and do a little bit better video. So see y'all later. There is a resort right on the other side of our property here. They got a nice pool back there. I think I'll be visiting that probably every single day. Be visiting that nice pool there. It's just a quick walk from here. Makes it kind of nice. And then we'll probably keep some of these trees and let the other ones be chopped down. It's nice. I like it. It's out, way out in the province. It's probably a good 2 miles off the main road. So I think we're going to be doing fine here. I think I'm going to like it. Like I say, I'll do a better video later. I didn't know the resort was right next to us. She said there was a resort close by, but I didn't know it was going to be like right in our backyard. So it's nice. I like it. Alright guys, talk later. See ya.